Hello everyone, it's a very quick tip Tuesday today. I have been absolutely run off my feet with the day job and the other day job and family life, and getting the right balance in order to keep making longer videos has been a bit of a struggle at the moment, but I am set to be back on task and I will put together some more recipes for you. I've got some exciting recipes, well I think they're exciting, on their way, and I will also be putting together a competition. So I'm getting closer and closer to 250 subscribers. And when I get to 250 subscribers, I'll be putting out a competition to win a Trangia cook set, and that's something I'm excited about doing because some of you might want a Trangia cook set. With that in mind, this is just a bit of an announcement and a slight quick tip Tuesday. And the quick tip today is to be better with environmental impact. I'm talking more about myself. I've been reviewing it a lot recently. I read an incredible book called Let My People Go Surfing by Yvon Chouinard, who is the creator and current top man of Patagonia Inc. Incredible ethos towards the environment, social injustice, and in non-violent activism. I read his book and it's changed my world. It's made me look at what impact I have on the environment, and it just makes you ask questions. And I've been asking questions: how can I be a bit more eco without it just being greenwashing? And one thing I've come up with is, well, there's a few things I've come up with, and they're simple changes and small changes, and hopefully they're going to be changes that you'll start to see in my videos from here on out. I've used a lot of Ziploc bags before. I've always taken the Ziploc bags away and cleaned them and reused them, which is great, and I'll still continue to do that while I have them. But I've moved over to plant-based sandwich bags, Ziploc bags that actually compost. If you left one on the trail, within a few weeks it would be nothing but organic matter. So that's one thing I'm doing. Where I buy my fuel from, I've always bought plant-based ethanol, but just looking at my suppliers and seeing where I can improve all the way along the chain, from the food that I buy, the products I endorse, the methods I endorse. I'm going to start leading by example, and I'd like you all to hold me to account as well. If you see something I'm doing from here onwards, then call me up on it. If you think that it's environmentally damaging or ethically suspect, and I sincerely hope it's not, then please, you've got to let me know, because I want to change how I live, how I do business, and how I make my videos. YouTube is an incredible platform, and as I grow an audience, I hope that to an extent I will grow an influence, and if that influence can be for the better, then so be it. So over the next few weeks I'll be changing even more so looking into the ethics of actually having, for example, an Amazon affiliate account. It's great that if I could get a little bit of a kickback from any purchases, but ultimately if you're clicking on a button, it's sending an order to a dropship company in China. How good for the environment is that? While I do a bit more research, I'll be stripping things back and adding things to it. But ultimately, this is just an announcement to say that I'm changing my policy, my practices towards the environment, because it's the environment that we use and we love. So it doesn't make any sense to want to destroy it in any way. In fact, I want to actively encourage it to grow and be there long after I'm dead, which it will, I'm sure, but I want to do less damage as possible while I'm still here and actively work to help make life better. In my photography business, I'm working towards becoming a B Corp company, and I'm signing up to the 1% to the earth, and I've written an environmental policy that I'm going to adhere to and be held account to. I'll leave a link to that below. I'm excited. This might have been a more boring post than you anticipated. However, it comes with the promise that at 250 subs, there will be a competition, and also coming soon, I've been working on new recipes, and I hope to be sharing these with you all very, very soon. So until then, Quick Tip Tuesday is to take a look at how you work in the environment and see where you can improve. Thanks for putting up with this post. Cheers and gone.